back to the channel, and today we're going to be making a white sourdough loaf. Now, a lot of people on the internet have been going on about how slow it takes to make sourdough. And the question's been thrown about, can you make sourdough faster than a day or two? Well, the fact is, yes you can. And now I'm going to show you what some commercial bakeries do. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. And for the recipe, it's on screen now. Guys, put your water and sourdough into the bowl. Then you add your flour. Just mix that round a little bit. And what we're going to do, add your salt and your bit of malt in. Stir that round a bit. And now you're going to add your bit of yeast in. Right then, we're now going to pop that straight onto the machine. And first speed. 1 minute. Check it out. Yeah, that's fine. And that'll be a further 8 minutes. We'll just check it. Scrape the bowl down. You want 1 minute on second speed. Right, just give it a little spray. That's it. And now we'll put the dough into a proving pot. A little bit of spray. That's it. We'll now leave that there for 1 hour. Covered over. Right, this is the fast sourdough. White. We'll just leave these now for around about 10 minutes. Right, let's mould them up. These are now ready to go into the prover, or if you've got proving boxes, they will prove for around about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the temperature. These ones will probably take, I reckon, about, in my prover, around about an hour, hour and a half. Right guys, the sourdough's ready, we'll get them out. There you go. Well, on top of the white sourdough, I'm going to put a little dust of flour. This is rye. Don't want very much. Guys, we'll get them into the oven. Now we're going to give them a good steam. We've just got bread in. The oven temperature is 425. It'll take around about 30 minutes for the bread to bake. Well guys, bread's ready. Right guys, for these guys who want to know what this loaf's like inside, we're going to cut her open. As you can see, looks a nice loaf. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Do let us know in the description below what you think of the recipe, and bear this in mind, it has got baker's yeast in it, but only a small amount. It is, I believe, the limit you can go to before calling a full-blown yeasted loaf. It has got the full amount of sourdough in it, and well, you know, you've seen it being done. Do let us know. We'll see you again. Do subscribe and do share. Laters.